So what you're gonna need is some frames. I got these from Dollar Tree, $1 each, 11 by 14. I got this Rust-Oleum Metallic Pure Gold spray paint. And then you'll just need some printouts of animals. And I just printed these out at Office Depot. So I have like 5 different ones. And they're all little baby animals. And I think to print these out, it cost me like $3 and some change. I spray painted this one first. And as you can see, it's not even that close to the color on here either, but this is not cute. This is the actual gold on the left side. This is the right color gold. This is the wrong color gold. Okay, you can tell now. That's the middle. This is definitely the better gold. This is so ugly. But anyways, I found this at Walmart for super cheap. Way cheaper than this one. This was like $9 at Michael's. This was only like $3 and some change at Walmart. So yes, this is the right gold. Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish. Alright, so I'm just going to let these dry. And then I'm going to have to come back and do like the sides and stuff. Final product, I have 2 more. I need to get one more frame, and the other frame I need to fix a little bit, but this is how it's gonna look. It actually looks pretty nice. This is the final result of the spray painted frames. Dollar Tree, $1. The spray paint, I believe, was like $4. And then the pictures were super cheap to print out too, so this is a really good deal. Here's a close-up of the frame.